In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move blocks on Squarespace effortlessly, whether you're reorganizing your website layout or simply making some minor adjustments. Knowing how to maneuver these blocks is essential. So, let's dive in and explore this process step by step. First things first, you'll need to open Squarespace and ensure that you're logged into your account. If you're not yet signed in, go ahead and enter your login credentials and you'll be ready to go. It's always a good idea to double-check that you're in the right account, as this will ensure you're editing the correct website. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your home page. Here, take a look at the left bottom corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture or icon. Click on that. This is a simple navigation step, but important, as it will allow you to manage and switch between different websites if you have more than one. Now, among the websites listed in your profile, select the one you want to work on. After selecting, click on the Edit button. This will take you into the editing mode for that particular website, exposing all the customizable elements you can work with. Next, you'll need to navigate to the specific block you want to move. This could be a text block, an image, or any other type of content block you've created on your website. Once you've located the block you intend to move, simply click on it. This selection process is pretty straightforward. Keep in mind to hold down your mouse or trackpad as you click, because that's how you'll drag the block to your desired location. This drag and drop action is quite intuitive. You can seamlessly move the block to any part of the page. It's similar to moving a file on your computer desktop. If, for instance, it's a text block you're moving, the same principle applies. Click, hold, and drag. As you hover the block over different sections of your web page, you'll notice that Squarespace provides you with visual cues like highlighted areas indicating potential drop zones. These help you decide the best spot for your block. Once you're satisfied with the new position of your block, the final step is crucial. Click Save. This ensures your changes are secured and your updated layout is live for your viewers. Failing to save can result in losing your adjustments, so always keep that in mind. And there you have it. Moving blocks on Squarespace is as easy as that. By following these steps, you can now freely organize your website layout to better suit your vision. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy editing!